What the fuck is we doing?
What's going on, everybody? This is your boy, of course, Tom Monty, and welcome to another episode of Kicks Konvo. Now, a lot of you guys may not know what Kicks Konvo is, but it's a podcast to where we absolutely talk about shoes that released the day before, and that way you can listen to this podcast on your way to work, on your way to school, coming from work, coming from school, or if you just laid up and you just want to listen to a podcast that absolutely is a opinion-based podcast and factual information, because I'm giving you my opinions about the shoe, but I'm also giving you facts as well that comes with the shoe. So if you want to listen to a podcast, this might be the right podcast for you. And also go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. Let's go ahead and move into the episode. All right, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy, of course, Tom Monty, and today's episode is the Ben & Jerry's Nike SB's Low Chunky Dunky. I swear, bro, like, just by reading his name is so funny, and then the shoe is like a theme. Like, if y'all have ever ate Ben & Jerry's ice cream, just like whatever their logo is, that's how the shoe is like imitating it. Like, it got like the cow prints on the shoe. The Nike check is like ice cream dripping, so you got like them little drip marks hanging from the Nike swoosh. You got blue on the toe box of the shoe, on the side of the shoe, and then also on the heel of the shoe. And then if you move back, you got a white midsole. You know, that's just I think they could have did better with the midsole and, you know, made that black. But, you know, the white midsole is straight. You know, maybe a off-white midsole, like something off to help that midsole blend in with it, because it's like a funky colorway. But moving on to the bottoms, you got a all over green bottoms. They're kind of like the pine green bottoms, and then you got the Nike SB logo in the middle of the shoe, and that is a highlighter green, neon green in the middle. Moving inside of the shoe on the outlines, you got different colors. So I'm going to say all of the colors that you see on the rainbow, just go ahead and know that those are all of the colors that you will see on this shoe. So would I cop this shoe? Honestly, yes. Two reasons why I'll cop this shoe. The first reason is it would be a cool first SB to have in my collection, dead stock. Second reason is I can sit on this shoe and make a resale value on this shoe. So this shoe is only selling for $100, you guys. $100. So think about if you used to sit on the shoe for a whole year, how much money can you make? For the people that missed out on the shoe, you can probably project to get at least, and I mean at least, this is just highballing it right now, at least $1,000, maybe $1,200 at the most. I just had to take a deep breath, because these shoes are absolutely going to sell out. We have seen the Syracuse SBs do numbers on the resale market, and also the colorway with the red and white do numbers on the resale market. So by this being a collab and only selling for $100, you best believe that tomorrow I am up and ready to go ahead and purchase these shoes. Up and ready, guns loaded, ready. Fingers tapping, up and ready. Watching videos on how to absolutely make accounts, how to go ahead and bypass all of these bots and purchase these shoes. I am ready to make this investment. Now, I'm also trying to figure out where to purchase these shoes at right now. Not too much of the information has been given out with this shoe and how to purchase it. So this might be a cop for later, or I might as well just go ahead and just try my luck with the sneakers app. Praying to God that I can go ahead and get through with the sneakers app, but hopefully that I can find a website or somewhere where I can, you know, purchase these shoes from. So those are the two reasons, and I'm heavily want to be inside of the resale game, which I'm going to talk about in a later video for you guys. It's just honestly just jumping inside of the resale game, and then also giving you more information on how to become a reseller. A lot of us want to become a reseller, and it's not too many people out there giving y'all information. So the information that I'm gathering, I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys. But Hope you guys have enjoyed today's episode of Kicks Convos. We have talked about the Ben & Jerry Low Chunky Dunky SBs. That name is so funny, you guys. Like, just say it, like Low Chunky Dunky, Low Chunky Dunky, Low Chunky Dunky. Like, that name funny. Like, it should make you smile, bro. Like, you having a bad day, just say that, Low Chunky Dunky, and I bet you it's gonna put a smile on your face. But I hope you guys I hope you guys I hope you guys enjoyed this content. It's your boy, of course, Monty. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. We do stuff like this every week with these podcasts talking about the upcoming shoes. And also share this for your boy, like for your boy, comment for your boy. All right, y'all. Peace. Enjoy your day.